Hi, once again, this is Alejandro Alex Ramirez coming to you with piano for God's glory, play for God's glory piano classes, and hopefully we'll be tackling today what's called a 7-3-6-2-5-1-4 progression. This time, not B major, but we're gonna be doing that in E flat major. Just following right along the circle of fifths. So we can try that out. As you've seen in other videos, I've explained it, so let me just go right through it. I'll explain it and give you what you're looking for.